So I'm here in Mykonos with Alejandros Gkikopoulos, who's a mixologist here in Greece, and I'm taking this opportunity. We happen to be in a fancy spirits store in Mykonos,
Exactly.
but we're going to talk about many different spirits and alcohol and cocktails related themes. Alejandros, so nice to be with you here.
Nice to be with you too.
Cool. So the first
Good
thing,
morning.
Kalimera.
Welcome.
So the first thing I wanted to ask you about was, before I came to the Kykladas, I was in Crete. And in Crete, everywhere, Raki, Raki, Raki. Everybody offering it. It's coming to the table before the meal. New people, friends, socializing. Everywhere is Raki. And I wanted to, many of our readers are spending time in Crete. I thought it would be nice to learn more about Raki, what it is, how it's made, and how it is part of Greek culture. Can you tell me a little bit about
Yes, of
Raki?
course. It's a very common situation to find Raki in Crete. It's a spirit with for grapes, or from fruits, or from the mix of the two of them. We don't have a law behind this type of spirits, but we will see in near future to have a really good law behind of this. But it's very easy and common to see it when you go to a restaurant, when you go to a bar, when you go to a hotel to stay.
Yeah.
Someone from the personnel or the waiter came to you with a bottle of Raki.
Right.
Cheers.
And the same if you go to a farm or someone's
Of course,
house, right?
everywhere.
Everywhere.
Raki in Crete, it's everywhere.
Right.
It's very common, and in the other places in Greece, you can find it with the name Tsipuro. Tsipuro has a law behind, but not for Raki yet.
Okay.
You can find bottle. I think I don't remember exactly how many distilleries by law with Raki exist in Crete, but a lot of Rakis you can find in Crete. It's a home product.
A home product, a home brew, right. And so it's very common that families are
Has their
typically...
own Raki, and
Right.
Of course every family has the best Raki in Crete.
Nice. And then in addition to Raki, many people are adding honey or herbs or other things.
Yes,
Can you tell me about that?
We can find some places and during the night that people around, they drink racomelo. Racomelo, it's a cocktail, a warm cocktail with Raki as a base, and with cinnamon infused inside, and other herbs and of course honey inside. They warm it and just serve you, and you drink it by shot.
Nice.
It's very sweet. It's very delicate, quite delicate, and it's a lot of spice inside, and especially in the aftertaste.
Nice. Now, is Raki specific to Crete largely? I know that you can find it in other places, but really Raki is its home is in Crete?
Home here in Greece, of course, but you can find it in Thessaly, as the name Tsipuro. You can find it, and Raki starts from the Arabic word arak, and that's they gave it to us.
What does that word mean?
Sweat, if I remember right.
Sweat.
Yes.
Interesting. And here in Mykonos, is there a lot of Raki drinking?
No.
What about in Athens?
In Athens, you can find Tsipuro, and especially in Plaka, in this type of area in the center of Athens, you can find a lot of restaurants with traditional food, of course, or souvlaki, and you can drink, eat the salad, and you can drink a bottled Tsipuro. It's very unique to drink bottle drinks, and not homemade, and especially with alcohol inside.
And
It's very dangerous, and you know.
Got it. So there it is about Raki. We were going to talk about many other things, but I knew that many of our readers and people who are using our website are often visiting Crete, and it's very common for them to come in contact with Cretians who are welcoming them into their home or their shop or to their farm, and to offer Raki. So thank you for giving a little bit of understanding and context.
It's a difficult but it's easy situation, and everywhere when you go to Crete, everyone drinks Raki.
Right. From workers throughout the day
Yes,
to
yes.
Families, whoever it may be. And
Of course, not children.
it's a wonderful, delicious drink to enjoy together.
Yes.
Of course. Great. Alexandros Gkikopoulos, here in Mykonos. We're going to talk about a bunch of other spirits-related stuff. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And remember, we're Santorini Dave. We do all kinds of Greek culture as well as hotel and restaurant reviews and trip planning guides here in Greece. So you'll make sure to check those out. We got lots more great content. Thank you, Alexandros.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from SantoriniDave.com.